Hi NEET aspirants, welcome to வாரி மெடிக்கல் அகாடமி. வாரி மெடிக்கல் அகாடமி சார்பாக அனைத்து விதமான டாபிக் சார்ந்த ஒவ்வொரு வீடியோவும் இனி வரும் நாட்களில் உங்களுக்கு வரும். உங்களுக்கு இதை சார்ந்த சந்தேகங்கள் கேள்விகள் எதுவாக இருந்தாலும் கமெண்ட்ஸில் பாஸ் பண்ணுங்கள். எங்கள் எக்ஸ்பர்ட் ஃபேக்கல்ட்டி மெம்பர்ஸ் போடுற வீடியோஸ் பிடிச்சிருந்ததுன்னா ஷேர் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. அந்த வீடியோ ரெகுலராக உங்களுக்கு வரணும்னா சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. தேங்க்யூ. wish you all the best.
My name is Mahanandi. I am a physics faculty. Now I am explaining about of the constructive and destructive interference and intensity. Why? Because previous part we have discussed about of the interference pattern based of the resultant of the amplitude also we have discussed. Now that continuously based the result constructive and destructive interferences based. Now the constructive interference first we want. Constructive interference one the resultant of the amplitude. Yesterday previous class we have discussed the previous section root of a square plus b square plus 2ab cos phi. Now these resultant based of the constructive interference one. First constructive, here the phase angle is the phi equal to 0 comma 2 pi comma 4 pi comma and so on. Here phase angle is continuously changes, the time the path differences what happen, the path differences of the means the relation between of the phase difference and path differences. Now phase difference phi equal to 2 pi by lambda into path difference. Now here phi equal to 2 pi by lambda into path difference taken del. Now here the path difference what happen means path difference del equal to lambda by 2 pi into phi. Now here first one the phase angle is 0 taken means here 0 substitution means 0 into something 0 and 2 pi taken means 2 pi cancel means lambda is coming. Now the path difference del is equal to 0 comma 2 pi substitution means 2 pi cancel means lambda comma next 4 pi substitution means pi cancel to 1 2 lambda and so on continuously is increase of the path difference up to n lambda is expanded. These path difference having time, that time this constructive interference is the brightness of the interference, bright. Now same as it is the destructive interference what happened means. Now the destructive interference is the phase angle is equal to, now here the phase angle is the pi comma 3 pi comma 5 pi and so on. Now same method as it is phase difference formula is the phase difference is equal to phi equal to 2 pi by lambda into path difference. Now path difference del equal to lambda by 2 pi into pi. Now here the phase of the angle is first one is pi considered means pi cancel means lambda by 2 is common. Next 3 pi considered means pi cancel means 3 by 2 lambda is common. Now continuously the path difference del is equal to lambda by 2 comma 3 lambda by 2 comma 5 lambda by 2 and so on. Finally here how to convert it means 2n minus 1 into lambda by 2. Why not? Because here the path difference of the n is substitution means suppose here 2 substitution means 2 2s are 4 minus 1 means lambda by 3 lambda by 2 having based on the up to here this formula based. Now path difference is the 2n minus 1 into lambda by 2. Here path difference based of the means n lambda. Now the path difference of the del is equal to n minus 1 into lambda by 2. This destructive interference is the darkness. These are the explanation of the constructive interference and destructive interference. These constructive interference and destructive interference based after the intensity is what happen. That is now I will explain. Now intensity is directly proportional to the square of the amplitude. Directly proportional to the square of the amplitude. Now the intensity is directly proportional to the resultant of the amplitude is r square. Suppose if you suppose first one of the amplitude means I1 is directly proportional to the a square of the amplitude, and second one is the I2 is directly proportional to the b square of the amplitude. Now two having means that time the resultant of the amplitude is, we know the resultant of the amplitude r equal first r square a square plus b square plus 2ab cos phi. We know this formula, but now r square is the I is considered equal to a square is considered I1 plus b square considered I2 plus, now here 2a is the root of I1 plus b is root of I2. If at any intensity based of the formula, the intensity is equal to I1 plus I2 plus 2 root of I1 root of I2 cos phi. Now these resultant based of the constructive and destructive interference base. Now the intensity is when is the maximum and when is minimum. Means now constructive time, the phase angle is the phi equal to 0, 2 pi, 4 pi, and so on. Now here the phase angle is 0 substitute means cos 0 is 1 means I equal to I1 plus I2 plus 2 root I1 root I2 cos 0. Cos 0 is the 1 means now I equal to I1 plus I2 plus 2 root I1 root I2. Now this term is the a plus b plus 2ab means suppose now this is mine converted to the a plus b whole square means a square plus b square plus 2ab type conversions. Now these intensities mine converted to and another type I equal to root of I1 plus root of I2 whole square. Now this is the a plus b whole square means root a square means what, root of I1 square root cancel means I1, b square means root of I2 square root cancel means I2, 2ab 2 root I1 root I2. These are the intensity. This intensity is the maximum intensity. Now here root of I1 is the, and another one root of I1 is the amplitude is a plus b whole square of the amplitude, and another is I maximum is equal to the, this is the resultant of the amplitude of the maximum or maximum whole square. These are the explanation of the constructive interference of the intensity. Now destructive interference of intensity. Now destructive interference of intensity is the means same, the phase angle is phi equal to pi, 3 pi, 5 pi, and so on having. Now phase angle is that one having, the intensity formula is the already here having the intensity formula I equal to I1 plus I2 plus 2 root I1 root I2 cos phi. Phi is the 180 degree. Cos 180 is the minus 1 means I equal to I1 plus I2 minus 2 root I1 root I2. Now this term is converted to the a minus b whole square type means I equal to root I1 minus root I2 whole square. These are the minimum intensity. I minimum is equal to the root I1 is the a, root I2 is the b means a minus b whole square, and another one I minimum is equal to the a minus b is the resultant of the destructive interference based or minimum whole square. These are the explanation of the constructive and destructive interference of the intensity. Suppose the both of the intensity is same, what happen? If I1 is equal to I2 is equal to I0. Now here I taken I equal to I1 replaced I0 plus I2 replaced I0 plus 2 root I1 replaced root I0 and root I naught cos phi. Now here I naught plus I naught, 2 I naught, I equal to I naught plus root I naught is I naught, 2 I naught cos phi. Now here 2 I naught is common outside, 2 I naught is outside, means 1 plus cos phi. Now this 1 plus cos phi of the trigonometric formula is conversion of the 2 cos square phi by 2, means I equal to 2 I naught 2 cos square phi by 2. Now 2 2s are 4, I equal to 4 I naught cos square phi by 2. The net intensity of the formula. Now here what is the maximum and what is the minimum? Maximum is the constructive time. The constructive time of the phase angle is 0. Suppose this angle 0 is substitution, means here if phi equal to 0 means cos 0 1 square means 1, 4 I naught is coming. I maximum is equal to 4 I naught, and same if phase angle is the pi having, if phi equal to pi having. Now here pi is substitution, means pi is the 180 degree, 180 by 2 means 90 degree, cos 90 is the 0, 0 into something 0, I minimum is 0. These are the explanation of the intensity of the maximum and intensity of the minimum. At both are same intensity is applied time. Totally is explaining of the constructive interference and destructive interference, phase difference and path differences. That one based the resultant of the amplitude and the resultant of the intensity is what happened, when is the maximum, when is the minimum. These are the explanation. These are the total concept of the interference pattern. Thank you for watching this video.